Today, we're teaching you how to make a smoky party jollof rice. Every legendary party begins in the kitchen. Fresh tomatoes, sweet red peppers, fragrant spices, and rice waiting for its moment. This is how Abuja does jollof. Blend it smooth. Let the colors come alive. That deep red, that's flavor building. Now this part, don't rush it. Fry the pepper until the oil rises. Let it thicken. Let it deepen. Let the aroma take over your entire house. Patience is the secret ingredient. Now the transformation begins. Every grain must be coated. Every grain must absorb the flavor. Cover it, lower the heat, and let tradition do its work. This is where the magic happens. There it is, perfectly cooked, deep red, rich, slightly smoky at the bottom, just the way it should be. Serve it hot. Add that grilled chicken, golden fried plantain on the side. This isn't just rice. This is a wambe. This is celebration. This is Abuja standard. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe to our channel for you to be seeing our videos all the time.